Hey, how's it going? I'm Az, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a tailored resume and cover letter for every single job application very quickly. Bit of a personal story. I left the day job a couple of weeks ago, and I started working on this project, and I kind of was trying to apply to the next job, and then I realized, it's very annoying. You have to like edit your resume, but you really can't, and it feels like there should be a better way. And so yeah, I ended up working on this platform, which I'm just gonna show you. And yeah, I would love to see if it's any useful. If not, I'm gonna be using this to basically get a next day job. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So I have an extended version of my resume, which has, more details about all of the previous experiences that I've had. And let's say, I've created one similar to this. This is not my resume, but just want to give you an idea. So this person, for example, it's an imaginary person. It had director of data science and analytics, so a bit of data analytics, bit of data science and product management, data engineering. So it's kind of a mix of multiple things, business insight specialist, and it's quite long, so it's 4 pages. And let's say if you're applying for one of these roles, let's say if you're applying for a senior data scientist role, it's better your resume to be taken out of this full extended version and then really tailored to that job. So I'm going to show you how to do that basically in a second. We're gonna start with the resume, and then I'll show the cover letter as well. So we have 3 templates at the moment. They're very basic, but hopefully they should give you some ideas. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then here what I can do is I can just simply upload this resume. So, all right, I will start creating a resume. Here it's actually making it nicer as well, but it's not tailoring it just yet. So there is some user experience issues, but a little bit of hacking, you'll be able to do that. So yeah, basically put everything into their specific sections. Let's say if I like this, I can save it. I can ask to make some adjustments. Let's say, technical skills certification, selected publications. Let's say I don't want certification, selected publication, and I want to make the professional summary smaller. Remove certificate and what was it? Publications, and also make the summary shorter, make it tailored to a data science role if it's already not. Yeah, data science and analytics. I think only. Let's say senior. But basically, you get the picture. You can ask it anything here, and the AI will actually perform them. So, kind of you can see the highlighted text. These are the changes that was made. They're not going to be visible in the final output. You can basically do a preview here, but they're just there for you to understand what's been changed. And then you can move around between the versions and see, what needs to change. You can add more details here. Let's say, I really didn't like this new one. I can bring all of these things and put it here. If you want to make any adjustments to the template, feel free to do that. Let's say I want to make these smaller. Yeah, maybe that looks better. Now what I want to do is that I want to go and take a job description, for example this machine learning engineer, AI powered custom models. Let's say I want to apply to this, and I can take the job description here. Okay, and let's go back and let's create a new document. So I'm going to create a new resume. Let's say I'll choose the same template. I'm going to select my extended resume. So that was my extended resume that I applied, and basically the context will be pasted here. So then I'm going to say tailor it to a job description and then paste the job description. So yeah, so it's basically tries to position me um, as a machine learning engineer, which is kind of similar, like if you have data science experience, you probably have some machine learning engineer. It depends, of course you should make sure that, these things are not hallucinating, and you have to make sure that you actually have these skills. And yeah, so let's say this looks good. I'm going to save this. Let's say I'll make this GitLab resume. So now I've got this. I want to make changes. Let's say I'm going to get rid of the highlights. So summary is talking about RAGs. I like that. Fine-tuning, LLMs, prompt engineering. I think that's all, reasonable. And this is an imaginary person again, but yeah, you get the picture. So let's say, again, you want to add yeah, so let's check this, and you can see that, it looks reasonable, and you can download it with one click and basically just go. Okay, so there's a bug there, but we'll fix that. Yeah, so that was your resume, so GitLab resume. Now let's do a cover letter. So we're going to do a cover letter, same thing. We have 3 templates. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. I'll choose my previous kind of extended resume, and let's say same thing, tailor it to this job description. And yeah, so you can see that I get a tailor. So this is basically what was updated, and I mean, looks good to me. Let's say I want to make this smaller. Again, same thing here, make those smaller, and this is my resume. So let's say, I don't know, there seem to be some formatting issues. Okay, let's ask this. Make sure bullets are on separate lines. I think that might have been an issue. Okay, this is much better. So you can see that, even it helps with a bit of formatting issue. If not, you can always do things manually. So you have some controls here, with the bold, and then the sizes, as well as, the bullets. Let's say I don't want to do the bullets, so I can get rid of the bullets. I can't. Okay, it was this one. Yeah, okay, there is some bugs here, guys, but you get the picture. Yeah, so now that's your cover letter. In a few seconds, we got a cover letter and a resume, which we can use to apply. And then let's download that as well, and this is how it looks in the end. So yeah, this is a platform. Would love to hear any feedback on this, and if you think it's useful, if you have anything that you want added there. Also, it's completely free for up to 10 generations, and yeah, and you can download it for absolutely free for up to 3 resumes. And yeah, would love to hear any feedback. Also, make sure you check your generations and don't lie basically on your resume. And if you haven't done it, just go do the thing and learn it, and then you can put it as like a project or something. But yeah, you probably, I don't want to waste people's time with this, basically recruiters. So make sure that the things that the AI comes up with are true. Amazing. Cheers. Have a good one. Bye.